राज्यात पावस वतत आसा आनी काही सुवातांचेर उटंगराचो पावस पडपाची शक्यताय पणजे वेधशाळेन उक्तायल्या. 1 जून ते 30 सप्टेंबर मेरेन राज्यांत 165.5 इंच पावस नोंद जाला.
In 24 hours ending at 8:30 a.m. of today, that's on 15th of October, all stations over Goa reported light to moderate rainfall. The highest rainfall was reported at Valpoi, which was 5.4 centimeters of rainfall. Second was from Sankli, which was 4.8 centimeters of rainfall. Now, the significant weather system that is prevailing around Goa is well-marked low pressure area, which was yesterday in the form of a depression, which is a severe stage. It in the past 24 hours weakened as well as moved west to northwestward from the northern parts of Karnataka. And as on today, after moving west to northwestward, it is over south parts of South Madhya Maharashtra as well as adjoining parts of South Konkan. So we can see that there is a lot of cloud mass near this Konkan region because of this well-marked low pressure area. Now the system is expected to further move west to northwestward, enter into Arabian Sea, and then intensify as well as move towards west to northwestward direction. So if we zoom into the locations around Goa, we can see that there is a lot of cloud mass near and around Goa. The entire Konkan coast is having a lot of cloud mass because of this well-marked low pressure area. So considering these atmospheric conditions, presence of this well-marked low pressure area, there is heavy rainfall warning over Goa for coming 2 days as well, that is including 15th. The possibility is there for Goa to receive heavy to very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters up to 12 centimeters is called heavy rainfall, and the rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters up to 20 centimeters is called very heavy rainfall. All this in 24 hours. So heavy to very heavy rainfall is possible at 3 or 4 stations over Goa, North and South Goa districts on 15th of October. There is even possibility of one or two stations recording rainfall exceeding 20 centimeters in 24 hours, which is termed as extremely heavy rainfall. Now, from 16th onwards, there is going to be reduction in rainfall activity. The warning on that day is not for extremely heavy rainfall, only for heavy rainfall there is warning on 16th of October. And from 17th onwards, there is no heavy rainfall warning as of now because the well-marked low pressure area will be moving further away from Goa coast by that time, by 17th of October. Now, this is regarding the heavy rainfall warning system, heavy rainfall warnings for the coming 5 days. Now, for fishermen, also there are a set of warning, which is actually the continuation of yesterday's. Fishermen are requested not to venture into sea along or off north, south Maharashtra or Goa coast from 15th to 18th of October.